What's up guys, my name is Tony and welcome back to Dudes Love Lulu. Now today's video we're going to be looking at the License to Train jogger in the olive colorway here. I picked these up on sale and I love them. So we will try them on, but I will show you a couple things to start. First off, I am affiliated with Lululemon. I do work for their head office downtown Vancouver. So I do have that. Now I wear a size large for all my bottoms, size extra large for all my tops. My measurements are also in the description down below. So here are the pants. They have a little bit interesting kind of patterns on them, the mesh on the back. They are super comfortable as well. Drawstring here. But enough talking, let's just go try them on. Okay, so here we have the License to Train pant. As you can see, they're a perfect snug fit on me. The drawstring is really nice in the front. We do not have zippers on the pockets. There are no pockets on the back either, so I do wish there was some zippers, but not a super big deal. Here they are. Super comfortable. I also love that these are a water resistant pant. I use them biking in the rain and they're super handy for that application. Yeah, they fit well. You do have the mesh on the back as well. Really nice. Oh, I missed one. Zipper pocket, knew it. Right there. So yeah, there are the License to Train pants. Now, if you guys are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be the #1 source for all things Lululemon guys related on YouTube. So don't forget to do that. Thanks for watching, guys.